Hi everybody, this is Kevin Preifogel from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. Please reach out to us at our website, which is paulsherryconversionvans.com, to see this van as well as all our other vans with up to 50 different photos, the vehicle history report, and also this video. This is a 2022 GMC 7-passenger low-top conversion van. This has this 6.6 liter V8. The color on this is called Doeskin Tan. I'm walking around the van. I don't so far see any kind of issues at all. It's a very pretty color. Good tires. Again, I love those GMC wheels. This will have the power running boards. This also has the lighted Explorer kick plates. These also has the power driver's seat with power recline, heated leather seats. Explorer makes one top-notch van. We'll come back to the inside here in a minute. Might see just a couple little stone chips right there. Nothing major, just cosmetic. This also has the rear backup camera with the rear sensors, and it's also going to have the hitch with the 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. As with all Explorers, this will have the built-in vacuum. This will have the power rear sofa, which lays down. Makes a nice little bed. Nice if you have kids or you just need to pull over, take a break, take a nap, sleep for the night. They're actually not too bad. They're pretty comfortable back here. Give you kind of a look inside the van from this viewpoint. Walking around the van some more. I don't really see any kind of issues at all. Very pretty color. It's got a nice little metallic to it. Give you kind of a look at the drivers. Again, this van, as well as all our other vans, everything we have can be seen on our website at paulsherryconversionvans.com, where we have up to 50 pictures of video. We do offer financing. We do specialize in these vans, and they do sell pretty quickly. So if you're interested in this or any van, please let us know. We do accept trade-ins also. Let's get inside to the van itself. As you can see, this one already has one of the soft shades down. Every window has those soft shade window blinds, which makes it really, really nice. These do have the quick release pedestal seats also, which is nice if you need to take one seat or two seats out in case you don't need all the occupants in here, or you just need more space to bring home something from the hardware store. Christmas present. Something like that. This has a little bit smaller of the TVs built right into the ceiling. Put that back up. And of course, down here we are going to have the DVD player. This again will have the 120 volt AC power converter. along with all your USB outlets. Just a beautiful van, well taken care of. Leather seats are all in good shape. No smells or odors of any kind. So if you have a question on this 2022 GMC 7-passenger Explorer conversion van, please reach out to us at 937-778-0830. Again, my name is Kevin Preifel. Please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you out any way I possibly can. With that, again, as always, thank you for giving us the opportunity. And as always, have a beautiful day. Bye now.